When an app promises easy farming income and shows perfectly smooth dashboards, clean buttons, and a professional interface, your brain wants to believe it, and that's exactly why I decided to dig deeper into the Farm Wealth app, because something about it felt just a little too polished. Farm Wealth claims hundreds of thousands of users are earning real cash from virtual crop projects. And at first glance, everything works beautifully. Projects activate instantly. Returns stack up quickly, and even the first few withdrawals slide through without resistance. Almost like the app is trying to show off how legit it is. But when I started comparing user experiences across 6 identical farming apps, Farm Wealth, PH Farm Wealth, NS Farm Wealth, EG Farm Wealth, In-Car Cash, and one more clone using the exact same template, the results lined up in a way that was almost copy-paste predictable. All of them follow the same cycle. Small early payouts build trust. Users invest a bigger amount, and right when the balance grows enough to withdraw, the system suddenly freezes with advancement fees, security deposits, or verification payments that appear out of nowhere. People told me their projects expired, IDs changed randomly, and payment routes were switched to unfamiliar processors with signs that looked weirdly close to money laundering patterns. Customer support responded from non-local numbers, jumped between different business addresses, and often contradicted their own explanations within the same conversation. And once users deposited more money trying to unlock their stuck withdrawals, the app repeated the same cycle: more fees, more delays, more excuses until the account finally locked or the project disappeared entirely. After tracking all 6 apps side by side, the pattern wasn't positive or negative, it was just consistent. The system is designed to take small amounts first, encourage bigger deposits later, and then drain users through endless payment requests that never lead to real returns.